Welcome to Moneymakers, where we talk about all things money. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. If you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, it's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currency, it operates independently of a central bank and can be transferred directly between individuals without the need for intermediaries like banks. But how exactly does it work? Let's find out. Cryptocurrency is based on a technology called blockchain, which is essentially a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction is added, it creates a new block that is linked to the previous ones, forming a chain of blocks. This means that the transaction history of each user is stored in a secure, tamper-proof way, and the network can be trusted without the need for a central authority. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, many other cryptocurrencies have been developed, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique features and functions, but they all operate on the same blockchain technology. So, what are the benefits of using cryptocurrency? Well, for starters, it's fast and secure. Transactions can be completed in a matter of seconds, and the use of cryptography makes it virtually impossible to hack. Additionally, because it's decentralized, there's no need to rely on a central authority or intermediary, which can make transactions faster and cheaper. Cryptocurrency can also be used for anonymous transactions, which can be appealing to some users. However, there are also some challenges associated with cryptocurrency. One of the biggest is the lack of regulation. Because it operates independently of a central authority, there's no one to oversee transactions and ensure that they're legal and legitimate. Additionally, the value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, which can make it risky for investors. So, there you have it. A brief overview of what cryptocurrency is and how it works. While there are certainly some challenges associated with it, there's no denying that it's an exciting new technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and transactions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more money-related content.